Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'd like it if you'd hit that like button and tell me what you think about this as well. Pass it on as you see fit. This morning we're going to do a breakfast tortilla. I was going to call it a wrap, but let's just call it a breakfast tortilla. So that's what I'm going to be making here shortly. If you bear with me for just a moment, I'll drop the camera down and we'll see the ingredients that we're going to put into this very quick, I think, meal. Our ingredients here. I've already cooked off my bacon here, as you can see. I fried that off earlier, and that's going to be using that, of course, in this breakfast tortilla. Of course, we've got to have eggs. I've got 2 eggs. I'm going to put 2 eggs in each one of them. I thought about 3, but I think 3 might be too many. I'm going to use a little bit of black pepper, but this is coarse ground, happens to be coarse ground black pepper. I'm going to do just a dash of this adobo seasoning as well. I think you can see that. I won't be adding any more salt other than this adobo here, okay? Obviously, I'm going to use, not obviously, but I'm going to use some cheddar cheese in here as well. Okay? And get some whipping cream here. I'm going to use just a splash of whipping cream in this as well. And of course, what I'm going to be doing is whipping these eggs up like I'm going to scramble them. And I'll be putting these ingredients in there, okay? And then as I put it together, and the camera will be on the range, and you'll see how I'm doing this. It's the first time I've tried this, and I think it's going to be great tasting and great looking as well. So I'm going to be putting my stuff together right now, guys, whipping it all up. I'm using clarified butter. You can use oil, of course, if you want to do in yours. But we're going to get this process going here. I hope my heat isn't too high here. Let's just do that, okay? That's what we're going to do here. That's what we're going to do on both of them here. All right. Okay. That one's done. Okay, I just turned my heat off. As you saw, I got a dancing pan here that I got to keep up with. I'm going to call this one done too because I don't want to overcook it, okay? All right, we're done, guys, already. That took maybe about 3 minutes in real time, okay? So I'm going to plate it up and I'll be back with you just a moment. All right, guys, they look good. I'm going to garnish them here, if you will. I don't know what garnish I decided to use. You can use whatever garnish you want or none. But this, I think this is going to be a nice accompaniment here to it. Looking good, guys. I think I'm going to put the banana on there too, guys. What do you think? All right, here we go here. Let me grab a knife. make sure all my burners are off over here, and they are. And let's put some bananas over here too, guys. I think that's gonna look pretty good. You guys know cooking the Pouncy, like to keep messing with stuff here, trying to make it look better and better. But yeah, it's a nice breakfast here, guys. Okay. All right. That's that deal. All right. We're gonna put some raspberries over here. And I think that looks pretty good, guys. That's a nice presentation, I think. You guys will probably agree, just agree, I guess, huh? Okay? All right, that's what it looks like, guys. And we are certainly going to enjoy this breakfast. I thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and watching me fumble around and getting this together. And I certainly hope that if you decide to make this for yourself and your family, I am going to put a sprig of parsley on here. If you decide to make this for yourself and your family, that you guys will enjoy this as much as we're going to enjoy it as well. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing with this here momentarily, guys. And again, I thank you so much for tuning in. Please pass this on as you see fit, and let me know what you think as well for our breakfast tortilla. Okay, have a good day, guys. Thank you so much. See you next time.